Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat ball. So you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the cat ball. At the beginning, I'm trying to draw an oval. I'm trying until I get a good shape. Okay, now I'm drawing inside it. Don't worry, we will fix it later. Let's draw a cat paw here. Okay, now let's clean all the extra pencil marks. For the coloring, I'm using the same pencil. I'm using my black marker pen. Now I'm using my big black marker pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching!